Hey everyone, I know why you are here. So I think you have this problem. Please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to proceed. Actually, it's not your personal problem or it's not problem with your account. I am using the ChatGPT Plus, so still I have this problem. I cannot log in. Even I am incognito mode, so that is not an issue with the cookies or any kind of ad blocker. And then I found in the forum of ChatGPT inside the Reddit, and it said it's the last 2 hours ago someone put this exactly the same problem, and everyone is just writing their comments. You see it's all at the recent comment 30 minutes ago, 50 minutes ago, 2 hours 40 minutes. So it's like everyone is having the same problem. You cannot log in with ChatGPT even if you have the paid version. So I think the first comment, if we look into this, you see the globally the Cloudflare is down, and so that's the reason you are unable to access it. I hope they if the Cloudflare is up again, so that you will be able to log in into your ChatGPT and you can use the prompt. I hope you have to wait for a certain time, and you can also look into this blog. I will put this link in the description so that you can see the update when it will be up. And that's all for today. I hope it will be solved very soon.